Struck, a Tagabun, chapter of the Overreaching. In the name of Allah, the merciful, the compassionate, whatever is in the heavens and whatever is in the earth gives glory to Allah. His is the kingdom and his is the praise, and he over everything hath power. He it is who hath created you. Some of you are unbelievers and some believers. But Allah, what ye do is observant. He created the heavens and the earth in truth. He formed you, and well, he made your forms, and to him is the trend. He knoweth what is in the heavens and the earth. He knoweth what ye keep secret and what ye make public. Allah knoweth what is in the breasts. Has there not come to you the report of those who disbelieved aforetime, and who therefore tasted the bad effect of their affair, and for whom was the punishment painful? That was because their messengers came to them with the evidences, and they said, shall humankind guide us? So they disbelieved and turned away, but Allah showed himself independent of them. Allah is rich, worthy of praise. Those who have disbelieved have said that they will not be raised up. Say, yea, by my Lord, ye shall certainly be raised up, and ye shall then be informed of what ye have done. That is for Allah easy. So believe in Allah and his messenger, and the light which we have sent down. Allah of what ye do is well informed. On the day of his gathering, you to the day of gathering, that is the day of the overreaching, and whosoever believes in Allah and does uprightly, he will absolve him from his evil deeds and cause him to enter gardens through which the rivers flow, to abide therein forever. That is the mighty success. But those who have disbelieved and counted false are signs. These are the people of the fire, abiding therein, a bad destination. No misfortune has happened, but by the permission of Allah. Whosoever believes in Allah, his heart will he guide. Allah everything doth know. Obey Allah and obey the messenger. If then ye turn away, our messenger is only responsible for the proclamation clear. Allah, there is no God but he. Upon Allah let the believers set their trust. O you who have believed, among your wives and children is an enemy to you, so beware of them. If however ye pardon and overlook and forgive, Allah is forgiving, compassionate. Your wealth and children are indeed a trial, but with Allah is a mighty reward. So show piety towards Allah as far as ye are able, and hear and obey and contribute what is good for yourselves. Those who are protected from niggardliness of soul are the ones who prosper. If ye lend to Allah good loan, he will double it for you and will forgive you. Allah is grateful, gracious, knower of the hidden and the revealed, the sublime, the wise. And so we're always reminded, whenever this stuff about hell and all that stuff comes forward, there's always the way out of hell. The alternative, it's your consciousness. It's what you do with your consciousness that puts you in one or the other.